Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Google Drive automatically with N8n. This is a powerful way to streamline your workflow by eliminating manual file uploads, saving you time, and ensuring your files are organized exactly where you need them. Let's get started. First, head over to your browser and navigate to n8n.io. Once you're there, type in your credentials to log in. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your N8n dashboard. This is your main hub for managing all your workflows. Now look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the Create Workflow button. Go ahead and click on it to begin setting up your automation. Once you click that button, you'll be directed to your N8n Workflow Editor. Here you'll see two options for creating your workflow. You can either build it manually using the Add First Step option, or you can build with AI, which can guide you through the process. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the manual approach to give you full control over each step. To upload files automatically on your N8n, start by right-clicking anywhere on your workflow editor screen. A menu will appear, and from there, click on Add Node. This will bring up a right side panel with various options. Locate the search bar at the top of this panel and type in Google Drive. You'll see a list of available actions related to Google Drive. Since we're looking to automatically upload files, click on Upload File from the listed actions. A parameter window will now open up on your screen. This is where you'll configure the connection between N8 and your Google Drive. To connect your Google Drive, look for the drop-down menu under the field labeled Credential to connect with. Click on this drop-down and select Create New Credential. Now here's where things have gotten much easier. In the past, this step typically required API keys and a more complex setup, but the process has changed significantly. All you need to do now is sign in with your Google account, and N8n will automatically gain access to your Google Drive. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to log in with your Google account, specifically the one that has the Google Drive you wish to connect. Follow the authentication steps, and once you've successfully logged in, your credentials will be saved. Now return to the parameter window and select your newly created credentials from the drop-down menu. Before you finish, double-check the fields in the parameter window. Make sure the field labeled Operations is set to Upload. This ensures that N8n knows exactly what action to perform when the workflow runs. With everything configured correctly, your automation is now set up to upload files to Google Drive automatically. And that's it. You've successfully configured N8n to upload files to Google Drive automatically, eliminating the need for manual uploads and keeping your files organized effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.